welcome back to Kim's Expired Live. Today I am Kim because she's behind the camera. Today we're making dog treats for our two dogs. Teddy is a golden doodle, and Henry's a Yorkie. And then Teddy is about to turn 4 years old, and he's like this big. And then Henry, and he's 13 years old. His birthday was on December 12th. And he's like this small. And yeah. So we have some oats by this guy. And we have some Teddy peanut butter. And we also have some doggy treat molds. And then we have a large panini. Then we have 2 large eggs over there.
Okay, let's put the banana in first.
Okay. No,
mash it up.
Me. Here, you can mash it up. No, here, you mash it up first. You mash it up second. No. Yes, it's not fair. Okay, then I get to. Good job. Then I get
use
to
a fork
mash it
and
up.
let's mash it up.
Here, you guys can both mash it up. Watch out. Oh. This, here, like this, watch out. Okay. Yep, so we're just mashing this panini. Okay. Take it out and throw it away. Don't tell someone else to do it when you have hands.
Smash it with the back of the fork. Like this, smash it with the back.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. Daddy.
We're gonna do the eggs after, okay?
Okay. You can crack some with me. Toucher? No. Me only can do it on my out. Okay. Can I have a tray? Here, thank you. We only need 2. Clean that up. Sorry, I don't know if you're going to do it. There's your birthday towel. Stop, I just want to give you a... Why didn't you say so? I would have done. You don't have to...
Where are you using that particular kind of peanut butter?
Because it says Teddy on it.
No, because it's xylitol free. Apparently xylitol is bad for dogs. And a lot of the regular peanut butter brands have xylitol in them.
Please.
Where did you get that?
Whole Foods.
Safeway, turn it out. Please get on.
I have a lot of subscribers that have dogs, so they may want to make some. I have some, a couple. I think Tony at Creative Chica Halls and Crafts. I think she makes her dog's own food. So, her treats, or both.
We do that one. You get to do spoon. You're gonna go like this. Okay. I think there's more oats than peanut butter. It's all good.
Good job.
Oh, Daddy,
Whoa!
What are you doing, Fletcher?
I'm making doggy treats.
Okay.
Me okay on blue one.
You want the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me want the 2 blue
2
ones.
blues. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, just take a little bit and scoop it into each one.
There. Get more?
Where did you get the molds?
Amazon. Or like $7 for all these.
For all of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. So then after you put them in the molds, then what do you do?
Bake them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes.
And have you made them before?
First time.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, are you testing them?
Yeah.
They're for the doggies.
That means test it.
You tested it out?
Yeah. What we're dating?
Maybe.
Oh no. What? Get them cooled down.
Okay, they're all ready. Are they gonna like it? I think they do.
Give one to Henry.
Oh, Henry gets one too.
Annie.
Oh, I think they
Okay.
like them. Oh, good.
Okay, no more.